Unlock the door by swiping card could be convenient. To issue the card, press Setting. Press Card Management. Press Add. Swipe the card on VTO to add. Card number will be detected. An IC card, MiFare card is supported by default. Press the card from the list. Fill in the cardholder name. And which door to unlock. Press Save to continue. Now we could test the new issued card.
Successfully unlocked.